how to import multiple images into Photoshop. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import multiple images into Photoshop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To import multiple images into Photoshop, start by launching the program and making sure no project is open if you want to create a new one. Then go to the top menu bar and click on File and then click on Open. A new window will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your images are saved. Hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click to select multiple images, then click Open. Once the images appear in the list, click OK, and Photoshop will automatically load each image into a separate layer within a single project. Now, to import these images into one layer, what you have to do is go to the first image and then click on the layer option. Here, copy this layer and now go to tab where you want to import and simply paste this layer. Now do the same process for the rest of images. Once done, as you can see, I have imported all these images into Photoshop at single page. So that's basically how you can import multiple images into Photoshop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.